You can't add Aptos network to your MetaMask wallet because Aptos is a non-EVM compatible network, unlike Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Polygon, Phantom, or some other EVM compatible networks. But there are other options that you can choose from. But today I'm going to show you one of the options, which is the Pontem Wallet. And Pontem Wallet is a pretty simple wallet that pretty quickly to set up, and it's also available for Google Chrome, Brave, Firefox, as well as available for Apple, iOS, and Android in Google Play Store. So the first thing that you want to do, you want to go to pontem.network. And over here, in order for us to install our Aptos wallet, we're going to need to go to Pontem Wallet right here. So we're going to click on that, and it's going to take us to Chrome Web Store. So what we're going to do, we're going to click Add to Chrome, and we're going to click Add Extension. And it's going to add Pontem Wallet extension to our Chrome browser. So once we're right here, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to click Create Wallet, and we're going to create password. So let's quickly create a password. After you've entered the password, you're going to click Accept the terms, and then I'm going to click Create. And over here, you're going to click Finish, and that's it. The wallet is created. Now you can see your address right here. You can copy and use it to send your crypto to this address. But since this is a little bit different from traditional way of setting up your crypto wallet, what you need to do first, and I highly suggest that you do that first, is you go and confirm your mnemonic phrase, and this is when actually you're going to see your seed phrase. So you're going to click Resolve right here, and you're going to write down this seed phrase on a piece of paper. Again, don't use copy and copy paste it on some Google Drive. Don't do that because it's not safe. The only way to do that is to write it down on 2 or 3 sheets of paper and hide it somewhere in a safe location. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, once you wrote it down, you're going to click I saved my recovery passphrase, and you're going to click Continue. And over here, you're going to confirm your seed phrase. So let me go ahead and select. So once you've selected the correct answers for your seed phrase, you're going to click Confirm. And that is it. It was that simple. So please don't use this seed phrase, because I'm not going to use this wallet because everybody knows the seed phrase for this wallet now, so it's not safe. Create your own and keep it safe on a sheet of paper somewhere in a secure place where nobody can get access to it. Don't store it on Google Drive. Don't store it anywhere online like Dropbox or anywhere else. So now you'll be able to buy Aptos and send it to your Aptos wallet directly on the Aptos blockchain. And this is how easy it was. But again, as always, I highly recommend that if you're into crypto, you're just starting out and you want to be extra safe, always use a cold storage such as Ledger or Trezor. And you can actually check out the link down in the description below, where it's going to take you to the Ledger website, because this is the only legitimate way to buy Ledger. Don't buy it from eBay or Amazon. Buy it directly from ledger.com, and they ship it directly from France. And in fact, if you buy right now, they have a promotion going on where if you buy Ledger Nano X, they give you $30 worth of Bitcoin back to your wallet address. Or if you buy Ledger Nano S Plus, you're going to get up to $20 worth of Bitcoin back to your wallet. And just to remind you, the price of the Ledger Nano X at the moment of recording of this video is about $150, and the price of Nano S Plus is $80. So you're basically getting back $20, so it's going to cost you about $60 for Nano S Plus, and for Ledger Nano X, it's going to cost you about $120. And so Nano S Plus is actually half the price, but honestly, I think, in my personal opinion, that's one of the best and cheapest options if you're starting out. And honestly, that's all you need, unless you really want to use the Bluetooth connection and you need iOS support, because that's the only difference between the two options. So if you're just starting out and you don't mind using the wired connection, then Nano S Plus is the best option out there, in my opinion. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a simple video on how to set up your Pontem Aptos wallet, and the reason I recorded this video just in case for my next video, where I'm going to show you how you can potentially qualify for layer 0 airdrop, and we're going to use Aptos network there to potentially qualify for that airdrop. So if you want to know how to qualify for the airdrop, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for my next video that I'm going to post shortly, and I'm going to show you guys how you can potentially qualify for that layer 0 airdrop. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all guys in the next one.